Hello everyone, my name is Jishnu and I am making this video corresponding to a task which can be defined as accessing a Linux VM on a Google Cloud platform using the mstsc tool on Windows. Note that in order to access a Linux VM through mstsc tool, a Xrdp server has to be installed on the Linux VM. I have made a bash script, the link of which you can find in the description below, which performs all the necessary tasks like installing the Xrdp server, installing the Linux genome environment, and all the necessary stuffs related to this task for demo purpose. You can download the bash script, you can update it, and yeah, run on the Linux VM of your choice. Yeah, so there are 5 tasks which need to be performed. You can see here. So first of all, we would be creating a Linux virtual machine. In this tutorial, it would be Ubuntu 14.04 LTS on Google Cloud platform. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, go to Google Chrome and type GCP. It's taking a while. Yeah. So yeah, here it is. You can click on Google Cloud platform. Okay, I'm assuming that you have done all the steps of registration and you have created a project of your own, and I'm proceeding from that point. So you can sign in using my email ID or my password. So after logging in, the dashboard would be something like this. Now you can go to the console. Okay, so my dashboard gets loaded. So here my project name is Brain Change, and you can go to the Compute Engine dashboard using this link of resources. I don't know what is happening here. Okay, Brain Change, Compute Engine. I'll click on the Compute Engine. Yeah, so the Compute Engine dashboard is opened. Yeah, so click on Create to create a Linux VM instance. So I would be naming it Ubuntu 14.04 and select any zone you want, and the CPU of your preference. I will be selecting a 4-core CPU. So you can select the OS of your choice. So I am selecting Ubuntu 14.04 and the boot type is SSD. This size is 30 GB. Yeah, and I'll click on create. So the process is under process. It will be created in just 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, so it is created with an external IP shown by this IP address. Yeah, and now coming to the step task 2, a putty utility has to be installed on Windows to access the VM. So go to the Google Chrome and type putty. Go to this link. Oh, sorry. So from here you can install the putty software. I have already installed it on my Windows, so I'm skipping that part. Yeah. So yeah. Now coming to the task 3, steps to generate private and public keys using putty key generator. So this utility comes pre-installed with the putty software. So no need to install it separately. Now going to the putty key generator software. So the putty key generator software looks something like this. So first of all, click on the generate button and move your mouse over this rectangular region so that a randomness can be created. Unless you move it, it won't proceed further. You can see it has been paused right now. So when you move the mouse, it would resume from the point it paused. So yeah, it started. Key comment. You can give anything as your key comment here. Yeah, so click on the save private key button and give it a name. Suppose private key and save the public key. Public key. Okay. Yeah, so the private and public keys are generated using the putty key generator software. Don't close the window of putty key generator. We would be needing the public key to be linked with the GCP VM. Now linking the public key to GCP. Coming to task 4, go to the compute engine, go to the metadata tab and click on the SSH keys. I have a public key already installed on this VM. I am going to add one more by clicking on the edit button and adding this public key. Select all of the text present in this text input, pasted it, so it's okay. Just change this thing to your Google username. Okay, so yeah, again selecting all of the text inside the public key input. As you can see, this username gets changed. Now save it. It would take some time for the SSH keys to get saved. Yeah. So now 4 tasks are over. Now the final task of running a shell script using a plink utility. So the plink.exe utility also comes pre-installed with the putty software, so no need to worry about that as well. So yeah, this is the Windows PowerShell utility, and here I go to my desired directory. Now I would run plink.exe. Plink.exe minus ssh, which would tell the plink.exe to run the ssh module. I would give my username of -vm and I would copy paste the IPs from here. So this is the external IP, it needs to be copy pasted. Oops, just enter. Yeah. So is that. Now I need to give it my private key file path. Now okay, so I have already saved my settings in this putty configuration, so I will be copy pasting from it. You need to first to configure this thing, else it won't work. So yeah, actually there is no need. If you know the file path of this thing, you can find the file path of your private key from this thing. So this is the path of your private key and this is the file name. So basically you have to copy paste this location. So I'm just copy pasting this. I'm just putting the double inverted quotes so that the space should not cause an issue. And now -m tag would take a bash script. So I would be giving this script as input. So let me see where it is. It is in desktop, yes. So okay, desktop. So file mode. Yeah, so all of the things are incorporated in this script. So yes. So it would take some time to install the updates and all other things. So I'm just pausing the video for a few seconds. Okay, so the installation process is going on. Meanwhile, let's take a look at the bash script. So this is the bash script which we run. So this installs all the softwares required for our task. Let me go to the line which does all those things. Yeah, so installing the required software packages. First of all, we will install JQ for parsing the JSON objects, and the GNOME desktop environment, and here the Google Chrome will be installed, the Firefox will be installed, the Flash plugin installer will be installed, and type.exe server will be installed. This LXDE corresponds to the Linux desktop environment, which needs to be installed for accessing the VM through a GUI. And this is the Xrdp server. Okay, it should be Xrdp. Yeah. So Xrdp server. Yeah, and the script process further and does all those things. Yeah, so the installation process is completed. So here you can see the output produced by the script. Here there are the system details, the operating system which is performing on, the IP address of the VM, the IP address city, the IP address region, the IP address country, and the IP address postal code. So yeah, now we would use the mstsc tool of the Windows to logging in. Now press the Windows R button and write mstsc and okay. Now enter the IP address of the Linux VM. So, yeah, now connecting to the Linux VM. It will take some time. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so this is the GUI which is rendered due to the LXDE Desktop environment. Here the username would be root, password would be password, This is set by the bash script which was run. Click on OK. The login successful. Now something should be displayed. Okay, so it is something like that. Login again. Click on yes. Will be root and the password will be password. Small case. Login is successful once again. Let us see what happens. Okay. I guess something is going on bad. Everything is installed perfectly. What's happening? Yeah, so I guess, yeah, that's it. So I've logged in into the Xrdp. So I've logged in through the Xrdp login, and now by default this terminal runs, and by default the Mozilla Firefox pops up with the Gmail login page. So I guess the task is done. There is some problem with the Google Chrome and Chrome browser repository. That's why they are not being installed even after including them in the script. Let's see what happens. So yeah, that's it. So I will close this thing and I would try to relog in. Let's see which session loads up. Cool, the same session loads up, right? So yeah, the task is done. Cool. So let me close it. It should be closed. Yeah, so I'm closing it. Yeah, so that's all for the tutorial now. So yeah, have a good day.